Hi. In this video, we will learn how to create bridge charts in Excel.
Bridge charts or waterfall charts are very popular in finance and investment banking. So basically they are used to show the change from an initial value to an ending value. Like here we got EBITDA for FY21 and EBITDA for FY22. And we are going to show the changes in the intermediate steps, changes in revenue, changes in variable cost, and change in OPEX, which has basically resulted in the changes in the two EBITDA values. So here we are going to first start off with the template. Here we have the EBITDA for FY21. So that is linked to our financial statement over here. So we have taken EBITDA 21 from there. And then we have taken the change in the revenues. So revenue is basically E33 minus D33. So from 22 value, we have reduced the 21 value. And same for variable cost. We have taken the change from 22 to 21 as a minus. And then change in the OPEX. So the OPEX, we have added the total OPEX here with the sum function for FY22. And then from that, we have deducted the total OPEX for FY21. So we have used the sum function because we didn't have a total cost line. Then finally, we have just typed in the EBITDA value for FY22. What we can do is we can double check. We can come here and just take starting value from here, and we can keep on adding the different values, the changes basically, and then see what value we get. So we get 8.7. So this calculation we have done, it's always better to double check whether the computation is correct. So here we got the same values when we checked it. So let's create a bridge chart. First we will select the data like this and then go to insert. And here you see insert waterfall and other charts are there. So we go to that option, go here, and the first one is the waterfall chart. So you can insert that, take it to this side. And then after we got the waterfall chart inserted, we have to select the last value. So make sure only the 8.7 is selected, not all of the values like this. So just click on 8.7, the EBITDA FY22 value, do a right click, and you have to select set as total. So we select set as total. So then we'll change the colors in the columns. So we'll make this a dark blue. So just select that one. So when it's only that selected, others are not highlighted like this. Then do a right click and we will use a fill color of dark blue. And then we'll do the same color for the starting EBITDA. Dark blue again. And we'll make the change in revenues a dark green. And also we'll select the change in OPEX and change it to a dark green. And the negative value here, the change in variable cost, we will make it red. Now I'll delete the legend here on top of the chart like this. I delete it. Then I select the chart, do a right click and go to format chart area. And I will remove the fill. I will remove the border, no line. And I will select the chart, go to the Home tab, change the font to Arial, and make it 9, font size 9. Let's make it a bit larger so we can work it, and let's move it down. And I'll go to chart design. And I'll go to chart, add chart element, and chart titles. I'll add a primary vertical chart title. And there I will type Euro million. And I'll make it bold and blue color. And I'll give the chart title a new name, EBITDA Bridge FY 21 to FY 22. And I will make it color blue, dark blue, and bold. So I'll also format the data labels. As you can see now, they are outside at the top. So let's select them, do right click, format data labels, and I will select center like this. So they are inside and in the center. And I'll leave it white font color, and I'll make it bold. So that's how you can basically build a bridge chart or a waterfall chart. Let's drag it a bit so the adjusted it so the legends are clear.
Thanks for watching.